Hi guys, today we're taking a look at the top 5 best solar security camera options that deliver smart protection, clear video, and hassle-free solar power. Welcome to Cool Product, where we break down the best home tech to keep you safe and confident. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Wansview Solar Security Camera. The Wansview Solar Security Camera keeps your home or property safe with reliable solar power and smart monitoring that works day and night. This wireless outdoor camera from Wansview is a great choice for anyone who wants peace of mind without complicated wiring or constant battery changes. What makes it stand out right away is the smart light control combined with excellent color night vision. It uses 4 850nm infrared lights along with 4 bright LED white lights to deliver clear visibility up to 8 meters away. In complete darkness, the camera automatically switches on the right lighting so you get full color details instead of just black and white footage. This means you can easily recognize faces, spot activity, or check what is happening around your house even at night without missing important details. The Wansview Solar Security Camera is built tough for any weather thanks to its IP65 waterproof rating. Rain, snow, dust, or intense sun will not stop it from protecting your property all year round. You can install it confidently outdoors on a wall fence or under an eave, knowing it will keep working reliably through every season. Stay informed with real-time security alerts that come straight to your phone through the Wansview Cloud app. The camera detects motion and sends quick notifications with important information so you can take action fast, whether you are at work, traveling, or just relaxing at home. It helps you stay one step ahead of any potential issues. Picture quality is sharp and detailed thanks to the 3-megapixel 2K ultra-high-definition resolution. This is a noticeable improvement over older 2-megapixel systems, giving you 50% better clarity so every scene looks vivid and crisp both during the day and at night. You will see fine details like license plates or clothing patterns that make identification much easier. Storage options are flexible and secure with a built-in memory card slot for local recording, plus the choice of optional cloud storage. Your footage stays safe and easily accessible whenever you need to review it, so nothing important gets lost. The solar panel keeps the battery topped up automatically, which means fewer trips to check on power levels and more consistent protection. Overall, the Wansview Solar Security Camera from Wansview combines solar-powered convenience, impressive color night vision, strong weather resistance, clear ultra-high-definition recording, and smart alerts into one dependable outdoor guardian. It is the kind of practical device that gives you reliable security and confidence that your property is always being watched over. Next up, at number 4, we have the Mocepo Solar Security Camera. The Mocepo Solar Security Camera gives you reliable outdoor protection with smart detection and solar power that keeps it running day after day. This wireless camera from Mocepo is a solid choice for homeowners who want simple setup and trustworthy performance without constant maintenance. One of the smartest features is the AI motion and human detection. When you turn on human detection mode, it focuses only on people and cuts down false alarms from passing cars, animals, or moving leaves. This not only gives you more accurate alerts, but also helps extend the battery life so the camera stays active longer between charges. You get peace of mind knowing you will only hear about the things that actually matter. It also uses PIR motion detection to spot activity quickly and reliably. The sensor picks up heat signatures from movement, so you receive timely notifications whenever something is happening around your property. Whether it is a delivery driver or an unexpected visitor, you stay informed and in control from anywhere through the app. The Mocepo Solar Security Camera holds up in any weather thanks to its strong weatherproof build. Rain, snow, heat, or freezing temperatures will not affect its performance, so you can install it outdoors with confidence and forget about it. It is designed to keep watching over your home or yard no matter what the season brings. Color night vision lets you see every detail even in complete darkness. The camera switches to full color mode at night so you can clearly identify colors, clothing, and faces instead of guessing from black and white images. This makes it much easier to understand what is really going on when the sun goes down. Thanks to the built-in solar panel, the camera stays charged naturally from daylight, which means fewer worries about running out of power. Combine that with the efficient AI features, and you get a system that works consistently for weeks or months with minimal attention. Overall, the Mocepo Solar Security Camera from Mocepo brings together intelligent human detection PIR motion sensing, tough weather resistance, and clear color night vision into one easy-to-use solar-powered package. It is the kind of practical security tool that blends into your daily life while giving you real confidence that your property is protected around the clock. Taking the third spot is the Dekco Solar Security Camera. The Dekco Solar Security Camera makes protecting your home simple and effective with smart solar power and full coverage that works around the clock. This wireless outdoor camera from Dekco is a fantastic option for anyone who wants easy installation and dependable security without dealing with wires or frequent battery changes. Setup could not be easier thanks to the app voice guidance and detailed manual that walk you through every step quickly. You can mount the camera and its fixed solar panel almost anywhere in just minutes and then forget about it for permanent use. No complicated wiring means you get it up and running fast, whether you are placing it on a wall fence or under an eave. Once installed, the Dekco Solar Security Camera gives you impressive 360-degree coverage through its panoramic PTZ design. Simply tap anywhere on the 360-degree view in the app, and the camera smoothly rotates to show you exactly what you want to see. It covers every corner of your property, so you never miss important activity. The upgraded Real 2K resolution captures crisp, clear details, both day and night, with sharp images that make it easy to recognize faces, license plates, and other fine elements. One of the most useful features is the automatic human tracking. When the camera detects human motion, it automatically locks on and follows the person to record more detailed footage of the event. This gives you better context and peace of mind knowing your property is under smart, attentive surveillance that focuses on what really matters. The Forever Power System is a game changer. This 100% wireless camera uses its solar panel to recharge continuously from daily sunlight, so you never have to worry about changing batteries. Just a bit of direct sun each day keeps it running strong for 365 days of reliable surveillance. It is environmentally friendly, energy-saving, and incredibly convenient for long-term use. The Dekco Solar Security Camera also includes color night vision and reliable motion alerts that notify you quickly through the app, so you can stay informed no matter where you are. Its tough weatherproof build stands up to rain, wind, and sun without any issues. Overall, the Dekco Solar Security Camera from Dekco combines effortless installation, 360-degree panoramic PTZ viewing, sharp 2K image quality, intelligent human tracking, and endless solar power into one practical outdoor guardian. It is the kind of reliable device that blends into your home while giving you constant confidence and protection. Coming in at number 2 is the Anran Solar Security Camera. The Anran Solar Security Camera delivers reliable outdoor protection with built-in solar power that keeps it running non-stop. This wireless camera from Anran is an excellent option for homeowners who want simple setup and consistent performance without worrying about wires or frequent charging. The built-in solar panel and battery work together to provide uninterrupted surveillance for long periods. Just a few hours of daily sunlight keep the camera powered up so you can enjoy months of worry-free monitoring. It stays active around the clock, which means your property remains protected even during extended cloudy stretches or busy seasons. Smart AI human detection combined with an alarm function helps you stay informed and secure. The camera focuses on actual people instead of random motion like animals or passing cars, so you receive fewer false alerts. When it spots suspicious activity, it sends quick notifications to your phone and can trigger an alarm to deter potential intruders, giving you time to respond from anywhere. Image quality stands out thanks to the 2K 5-megapixel high-definition resolution. You get crisp, detailed footage that captures fine elements like faces, license plates, and movements clearly both during the day and at night. The sharp visuals make it much easier to understand exactly what is happening around your home. This camera holds up well in any environment due to its IP66 weatherproof and dustproof rating. It resists heavy rain, strong winds, dust, and extreme temperatures, so you can install it outdoors with full confidence that it will keep performing reliably through every season. Color night vision with a 10-meter infrared range lets you monitor your property effectively even after dark. The camera delivers full-color images at night instead of basic black and white, so you can easily identify colors, clothing, and other important details within that range. It provides comprehensive security coverage around the clock. The Anran solar security camera feels well-built and practical for real-world use. Its wireless design makes installation quick and flexible, while the solar charging means almost no maintenance once it is up and running. You get peace of mind knowing your home or yard is always under watch, with clear footage and timely alerts. Overall, the Anran solar security camera from Anran combines solar-powered reliability, AI human detection, sharp 2K 5-megapixel resolution, tough IP66 weatherproofing, and effective color night vision into one convenient package. It is the kind of dependable outdoor camera that blends seamlessly into your property while giving you strong protection and confidence every single day. And finally, our top pick, the Baseus Security S1 Solar Security Camera. The Baseus Security S1 Solar Security Camera offers true 24/7 protection, powered directly by the sun in a simple and reliable package. This wireless outdoor camera from Baseus is perfect for homeowners who want dependable security without complicated wiring or ongoing costs. Right away, you will love how it stays charged, thanks to its built-in solar panel that turns daily sunlight into steady power. It is an eco-friendly energy-saving solution that keeps the camera running around the clock, so you never have to worry about dead batteries or frequent recharges. Just mount it where it catches some sun and enjoy continuous monitoring month after month. Picture quality is excellent, with crisp 2K clarity and a wide 135-degree field of view that lets you see more of your surroundings in sharp detail. Whether it is day or night, you get clear visuals that help you stay fully aware of what is happening around your home. The camera captures important moments with enough resolution to recognize faces and actions easily. Setup takes only about 5 minutes, so you can have it installed and working in no time. The Baseus Security S1 is built to last with an IP67 weatherproof design that handles harsh conditions from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Rain, snow, heat, or cold will not stop it from protecting your property all year round. Smart AI detection makes the alerts actually useful by focusing on real activity and reducing false alarms. You can set up 2 custom activity zones to watch specific areas closely and 2 ignore zones to skip spots like busy roads or trees that move in the wind. This precise control means you get notifications that matter without constant interruptions. Storage is straightforward and private with secure local options and strong AES plus RSA encryption that keeps your data safe. There are no monthly fees to deal with, so everything stays affordable and under your control. The camera sends instant alerts to your phone, so you can check in quickly from anywhere. Overall, the Baseus Security S1 Solar Security Camera from Baseus combines solar-powered reliability, sharp 2K imaging with a wide field of view, tough IP67 weather resistance, smart AI detection with custom zones, and secure no-fee storage into one easy-to-use outdoor guardian. It is the kind of practical device that gives you real peace of mind while blending seamlessly into your daily life. Want smarter security without the wires? Check the price link in the description to find the perfect solar security camera for your home. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top tech reviews and buying guides.